Hello everyone, welcome back to Home Decor Day. Bringing the past forward, how to blend vintage charm with modern living spaces. The resurgence of vintage and retro design in modern interiors has become a significant trend, breathing new life into contemporary spaces. This revival pays homage to the aesthetic charm and unique character of past eras, infusing homes with a sense of nostalgia and timelessness. It's a celebration of history, craftsmanship, and the beauty of imperfection found in vintage pieces. Navigating the retro trend effectively means knowing when to invest and when to cut corners. Splurge on timeless pieces that anchor the room, like a sofa or dining table, and save on smaller, interchangeable accessories. The resurgence of mid-century modern design brings clean lines and functional beauty back into today's interiors. This style emphasizes simplicity and natural shapes, making it easy to integrate with contemporary decor for a timeless look. The role of color schemes in creating a nostalgic yet fresh atmosphere cannot be overstated. Retro color palettes, featuring bold hues and soft pastels, can set a vibrant or serene mood. Incorporating these colors through walls, furnishings, or accent pieces can anchor your space in a specific era while keeping it fresh and lively. Transforming your bedroom with vintage finds doesn't require a complete overhaul. A statement antique dresser or a retro-inspired bedside lamp can lend a unique charm, effortlessly blending with more current pieces for a balanced look. Identifying authentic vintage furniture is key to creating an authentic retro vibe in your home. Look for items with genuine wear, unique craftsmanship, and historical significance. Authentic vintage pieces not only serve as functional furniture, but also as conversation starters, imbued with stories from the past. Retro bathroom decor revolves around choosing the right tiles, fixtures, and accessories. Think checkerboard floors, clawfoot bathtubs, and brass fittings to evoke a sense of the past, while ensuring functionality isn't compromised. Creating a retro chic living room is all about selecting the right furniture and layout. A mid-century modern sofa, paired with a vintage coffee table, sets a timeless scene. Strategic placement encourages conversation and comfort. Understanding the appeal of retro aesthetics in contemporary settings requires an appreciation for the stories and history each piece brings into a home. Retro designs offer a contrast to the sleek, impersonal lines of modern decor, creating a warm, inviting atmosphere. They evoke memories and a sense of comfort, making spaces feel lived in and personal. Mixing and matching retro pieces with modern decor can create a cohesive look that blends the best of both worlds. The secret lies in balancing shapes, textures, and colors. A vintage wooden table can complement modern chairs, while retro lamps can illuminate sleek, contemporary spaces, achieving harmony and a layered, eclectic aesthetic. Incorporating vintage accessories in your home adds character without creating clutter. Choose pieces that tell a story, focusing on quality over quantity. A few well-placed items can significantly impact the room's aesthetics. When selecting retro-inspired textiles for upholstery and curtains, aim for patterns and colors that complement the room's overall theme. Geometric shapes, bold prints, or muted hues can add a touch of nostalgia while keeping the space fresh and inviting. Finding the perfect vintage lamps and fixtures can transform a room. Look for unique pieces at flea markets or specialty stores. The right lighting not only illuminates, but also serves as a focal point, adding warmth and ambience. Displaying retro collectibles and art pieces requires a delicate balance. Opt for minimalist frames or shelves that don't overshadow the items. Grouping similar pieces together or creating a themed wall can tell a compelling story, enhancing the room's charm. Incorporating vintage themes into modern kitchen designs bridges the gap between nostalgia and contemporary functionality. Opting for retro appliances, like pastel-colored fridges or vintage-inspired stoves, instantly injects character while maintaining modern efficiency. Flooring plays a pivotal role in anchoring the vintage and retro aesthetic within a modern interior. Opting for materials like terrazzo, checkerboard tile, or even reclaimed wood can infuse spaces with a nostalgic charm while seamlessly blending with contemporary design elements. These flooring options not only pay homage to the past, but also offer durability and timeless appeal, making them perfect for creating a cohesive look that celebrates both eras. Maintaining a balance between old and new elements is crucial for achieving a harmonious interior. It's about finding the sweet spot where vintage pieces contribute character and stories, while modern elements offer comfort and functionality. This equilibrium ensures that spaces feel both inviting and stylish, providing a backdrop that is both uniquely personal and universally appealing. Incorporating pieces from different periods can lead to a dynamic and eclectic home that reflects a broad range of influences. DIY projects offer a unique opportunity to inject personalized retro touches into your home. From repainting a vintage chair to crafting your own mid-century modern-inspired wall art, these projects allow you to put a personal stamp on your space. They not only add a sense of accomplishment, but also ensure that your home stands out with one-of-a-kind pieces that can't be found anywhere else. Engaging in such activities fosters creativity and results in a home that truly represents your individual style. Embracing the charm of the past with a modern twist allows for the creation of spaces that are both reflective and forward-thinking. This approach to interior design celebrates history while acknowledging the practicalities and aesthetics of contemporary living. It's a way to create a home that feels both familiar and fresh, inviting and innovative. By thoughtfully integrating vintage and retro elements, you can craft interiors that stand the test of time, offering comfort and style for years to come. That's it for today's video. Make sure to subscribe, and hit that notification button for more home decor inspiration. Let me know what you would like to see next.